Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this fun and easy Bohemian yarn wall hanging. For the materials you'll need yarn, a wooden dowel, painter's tape, and scissors. First, determine how long you want the yarn to hang. Keep in mind that you will eventually be cutting the yarn on an angle. Cut as many pieces of yarn as you think you'll need. Then take 2 pieces of yarn and wrap it around the dowel. Continue that until the dowel is full. After that, take the painter's tape and tape down where you want to cut the yarn on an angle. Then cut the yarn. Remove the tape. And that's it! Like I said, it's so easy and is a fun little addition to your home decor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!